The 10th standard science has the first chapter, Heredity and Evolution. The contents involved in this are heredity, variation, evolution, speciation, human evolution, evolution tree, genetic engineering, biotechnology and cloning, stem cell culture, microbial production, biosensors and biochips, science today, gene therapy. We go on to the introduction of the unit. The progeny produced through the reproductive process is similar to its parents in the body design, function, etc. This is called heredity. The progeny refers to the next generation individuals. So, the individuals born to the parents are usually alike. Here is a figure representing a cow and a calf. We are able to see the external morphology of the calf exactly alike, same as the cow. Heredity involves Mendel's monohybrid cross, physical basis of heredity. What is heredity? The progeny produced through the reproductive process is similar to their parents in body design, function, etc. The rules of heredity determine the process by which the traits and the characteristics are relatively inherited. Now, inheritance of the characteristics through the generation is only called as heredity. Heredity may be defined as the inheritance of the characters through generations, that is generation after generation, which is transmitted only through the hereditary unit called as the gene. This is only called as heredity. The inheritable characteristics may be morphological, anatomical, physiological, reproductive, and are also known as traits. If we take a very close look at the rules of inheritance, both father and mother contribute equal amount of genetic material to the child. This means that each trait can be influenced by both paternal and maternal genetic material, example that is DNA. Now, if we look at the example, if we look at ourselves, we can find few of our characteristics are inherited from our father, few of the characteristics are inherited from our mother. Take for example our skin color. We may be fair to look at, which is inherited from our father. Mother may be a slight dark. So, the characteristics are influenced by both the parents, maternal and paternal. Few other characteristic feature like tallness may be inherited from the mother. So, there is a blending characteristic feature which we have acquired from our father as well as a mother. This is only through the genetic material, that is DNA, that is only referred to as paternal character and maternal character. Now we are able to observe the structure of a DNA molecule. It is a double helix structure with the bonds in between. The bonds are the hydrogen bonds. They may be in the form of a weak bond or a strong bond. Now we are able to see that both the strands have got cleaved, the bond is broken, and there is a replication of a single strand into two. We are confirming that the DNA is a genetic material. DNA is nothing but a gene. Gregor Johann Mendel, 1822 to 1884, father of genetics, worked out the first ever scientific experimental study on heredity. This is a figure of the person, great scientist Gregor Johann Mendel. Mendel, an Austrian monk, observed variations in the characteristics of garden pea plant, Pisum sativum, which he had cultivated in his monastery garden. Here we are able to observe the pod of the pea plant and very beautiful peas which is emerged out from the pod. Mendel was curious to find out the results of crossing of a pea plant with the variations of the trait. The visible contrasting characters that Mendel observed in the garden pea plants were